Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to host a meeting in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Click the Meet Now button in the top right of your Teams window to open the Start a Meeting Now dialog. Then type a name for your meeting. For this example, I'm calling it Meeting with Trial Demo. Click the Start Meeting button at the bottom of the dialog, and Teams will connect you to the meeting room, showing a connecting screen while it loads. Once you're in, the Invite People to Join You dialog appears, so you can add participants by typing their names or sharing the meeting link. If participants can't join straight away, check your meeting options. They might be waiting in the lobby if you have lobby settings enabled for external or guest users. You can admit people individually from the participants panel or change the lobby settings before the meeting starts. To end the meeting for everyone rather than just leaving it yourself, click the red Leave button, then choose End Meeting so all participants are disconnected at once. Otherwise, the meeting stays open and people can keep talking. If you need to record the meeting, hit the More Actions menu during the call and select Start Recording, and it'll save to your OneDrive automatically. And that's how to host a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.